Hi peeps, my name is Zina and I'm aging ethically. Recently, I ordered a t-shirt from one of my favorite vegan outfitters. He is known as the Vegan Vampire, and he has the coolest monster and spooky themed vegan gear. I found him on Instagram. I'm going to put the link below so you guys can check him out too. I ordered the shirt and it was sent really quickly, so I received it within like 4 or 5 days of ordering it, and I was so excited. The bright green creature from the Black Lagoon plant eater theme just inspired me to create this neon sort of orange and pink sparkly green look. And I'm going to reveal the shirt now. Ooh, you guys ready? Oh my gosh. Take a couple seconds and check out how I created this look. Let's get started. So in the package or in the envelope, he sent me a couple of extra things that I wasn't expecting. So to my surprise, I received a Vegan Vampire Fang Club. Get it? Fang Club. This is a pin, by the way. How cute is this? Oh my gosh. He also sent me 2 stickers. There is a Powered by Plants Frankenstein sticker and also a Vegan Vampire. It's like a Bela Lugosi Dracula sticker as well. I don't even want to use these. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. I am so excited for these extra little gifts that were included in my package. And on the back of the shirt has the Vegan Vampire logo. Vampire bat wings. How cool is that, guys? I absolutely love this, and it appeals to my spooky vegan sort of vintage glam rockabilly look that I rock pretty much on a daily basis. So I absolutely love this shirt so much. I'm definitely going to order more. I got it in a size large, which I have it cinched back with a little scrunchie here, but it does fit rather loosely, and I did so because I have a larger chest and I wanted to make sure that this shirt fit, but I actually could have gotten away with ordering a medium. But I love the fit of this shirt, so it's nice and roomy and comfortable. So you can see now why I was inspired to use these bright colors today. And I really did have a blast. This was so much fun. You guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys had a great Memorial Day weekend. And as you know, I post new videos every Monday and Friday, so do check back on those days. Sometimes I throw a little extra video in between. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you aboard. I have a lot of fun here. I like to do age-appropriate makeup, but I also like to be creative, obviously, and just like let go and have some fun, because that's what life is all about, isn't it? Just having fun, enjoying yourself, and sending out positive vibes to the universe. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!